Hey there, check out the DT1600 Infrared Thermometer Temperature Gun with an impressive range from degrees F to 2,552 degrees F. This device features a 50-to-1 distance ratio, allowing you to measure hot spots safely from far away in just half a second. It offers adjustable emissivity from 0.1 to 0.99 for greater accuracy on different surfaces, plus a 12-point laser guidance system for precise targeting. You can set high and low temperature alarms to catch any critical changes immediately, and the max, min, and average modes provide detailed temperature insights. The large backlit LCD makes it easy to read data anytime, while handy functions like data hold, unit conversion, and automatic shutoff help save battery life. Whether you're cooking, repairing, or working industrially, this thermometer gun is designed to deliver fast, reliable results every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.